Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to elevate your outdoor cooking experience, the ROVSUN 2-Burner Foldable Propane Griddle. We discovered this fantastic grill, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. The ROVSUN 2-Burner Griddle is engineered for versatility and convenience, making it an ideal choice for anyone who loves cooking outdoors. With two independent stainless steel burners, each offering an impressive 10,000 BTUs of heat, this grill can reach up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. This powerful heating capability allows you to cook a wide variety of foods, from breakfast favorites like eggs and pancakes to lunch or dinner options such as grilled cheese sandwiches and juicy steaks. The adjustable flame size means you can easily tailor the heat to suit your cooking needs. One of the standout features of this griddle is its portable and versatile design. The integrated scissor legs and wheels allow you to set it up in just 3 seconds, making it incredibly user-friendly. Its compact, full-flat design means it can easily fit into the trunk of your SUV, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether you're grilling in your backyard, camping in the woods, enjoying a picnic at the park, or even tailgating before the big game, this griddle is engineered to be your go-to cooking companion. In terms of construction, ROVSUN has utilized high-quality stainless steel and iron, ensuring that this griddle is built to last. It features an oil drip tray and a non-stick enamel tray, which makes cleanup a breeze. After cooking, all you have to do is use a griddle brush to clean the cooking grates and wipe down the exterior with a cloth. This focus on easy maintenance means you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time worrying about the cleanup. The cooking area of the ROVSUN 2-Burner Griddle measures 246 square inches, with a spacious cooking surface of 17.3 inches by 14.2 inches. This ample space is perfect for grilling meals for 2 to 4 people, making it an excellent choice for small gatherings or family meals. The large flat design not only enhances your cooking efficiency but also makes it easy to flip food, ensuring that everything cooks evenly. For those who might be intimidated by complicated setups, you'll appreciate the simple operation and installation of this griddle. The durable stainless steel control panel is equipped with a quick-start ignition system, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. The hose and valve connection design is straightforward and requires no additional parts, saving you both time and effort. This means you can get started with your grilling almost immediately, allowing you to focus on what really matters, enjoying delicious food with friends and family. So, who is this griddle suitable for? It's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, camping aficionados, backyard grillers, and anyone who enjoys a good barbecue. If you love to host gatherings or simply enjoy cooking outdoors, the ROVSUN 2-Burner Griddle is designed to meet your needs with ease and efficiency. In conclusion, the ROVSUN 2-Burner Foldable Propane Griddle is a powerful and portable grilling solution that offers impressive heating capabilities, high-quality materials, and user-friendly features. Whether you're whipping up breakfast, lunch, or dinner, this griddle is sure to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.